But do not forget to serve and share your acquired wisdom and self-esteem. Royal will continue to be relevant to the times, an age of technology and touchscreen, as we continue to lead the network marketing in the Philippines. To our future leaders in Royal, we say, you bet your careers with us, and you shall never regret it. Our commitment to all of you will and shall extend to generations to come. The seeds that we have planted 10 years ago will be and should be enjoyed and nourished by all Royalistas, leaders, managers as time goes on. We look at the future with great optimism. With the recent developments in our institution, we are second to be recognized worldwide. It is our pride and joy to see you all committed to our common goal of sharing this opportunity to every Filipino. For all of you Royalistas, your institution will always find new territories and markets so you can launch your activities with renewed confidence. Ours is a relationship business as it deals with people to people. Maging mabait kayo sa kapwa. Do this business with a kind heart. Let us always prepare ourselves for a brighter future ahead of us. Preparing our body, mind, and spirit for an unforgettable story here in Royal. Let's be happy, fulfilled in royalizing the world. Thank you and good night.
Sir, mga kaibigan, Mr. Eric Castaneda, Vice President for IT and Operations. Alam niyo mga kaibigan, pwede mo kayo po mga kaibigan, guys. Alam niyo guys, kung pakilakinggan niyo mabuti, yung dating sa akin sinabi ni Sir Eric, simple lang eh.